North America has a native tree whose leaves kill microbes, cool fever, and calm infection, yet almost no one knows its name. This is Simpson's stopper. Simpson's stopper has been part of Caribbean and Florida folk medicine for generations. In the Bahamas, healers used it for flu, fever, body aches, and postpartum recovery. Early Floridians used it for digestive distress and infection-related discomfort. And in Ecuador, the same plant appears in traditional recipes not just for aroma, but for its ability to keep unwanted microbes at bay. Every use, flu, fever, infection, digestive support, matches the chemistry inside its leaves. The first key lies in its essential oils. Many populations of Simpson's stopper produce a citral-rich oil, loaded with geraniol and nerol. These are potent antimicrobial monoterpene aldehydes. When scientists tested citral-rich extracts from this plant, they found strong activity against Klebsiella pneumonia, a respiratory pathogen, and Candida albicans, a yeast involved in digestive and mucosal infections. That means the same leaves used traditionally for fevers and flu-like symptoms actually carry compounds that suppress the organisms associated with those illnesses. Citral also helps calm inflammation and soothe irritated tissue. That gives scientific grounding to the plant's role in easing fever, cooling the body, and reducing the discomfort that comes with infection. When Caribbean communities reached for this plant during illness, its chemistry supported their intuition. But Simpson's stopper isn't limited to one chemotype. In Costa Rica and parts of the Caribbean, a second version of this tree produces essential oils dominated by methylcinnamate, limonene, alpha-pinene, and linalool. This is a rare profile in the Myrcianthes genus, and it changes the plant's medicinal footprint. Methylcinnamate brings anti-inflammatory and spasm-relieving properties. Limonene and alpha-pinene help relax smooth muscle, ease chest tightness, and support clearer breathing. These compounds match the plant's traditional use for body aches, tension, postpartum recovery, and digestive discomfort. Traditional midwives used Simpson's stopper after childbirth, describing it as strengthening and soothing. Science now shows that alpha-pinene and linalool have calming, muscle-relaxing effects, while methylcinnamate helps reduce inflammatory stress. The compounds explain the tradition, and its gastrointestinal reputation is backed by its chemistry, too. Myrtaceae species are rich in tannins, flavonols, and phenolic acids, compounds known to tighten, tone, and protect the gut lining. Combined with the antimicrobial essential oil, this creates a plant that supports digestion both through direct microbial control and through astringent gut action. It makes sense why many early Floridians and island communities used it for stomach upset and possible diarrhea. Even its use in Ecuador's ancestral drink colada morada is supported by science. The citral-rich oil shows strong activity against yeasts like Saccharomyces and Candida, meaning the leaves help preserve traditional foods and protect the drink and the people from microbial imbalance. So every verified traditional use lines up with the compounds inside the plant. Citral for fighting microbes and cooling fever. Methylcinnamate for soothing inflammation and easing cramps. Limonene and alpha-pinene for opening the chest, relaxing tension, and supporting respiratory comfort. Tannins and flavonols for digestive protection and gut stability. And across all chemotypes, a consistent theme of antimicrobial defense, inflammation reduction, and whole-body support. This is Simpson's stopper, an overlooked North American medicine tree with a biochemical signature that matches every tradition it carried through the Caribbean, Florida, and the tropical Americas. A plant built for fever relief, infection control, digestive balance, and postpartum support. And a reminder that sometimes the most powerful healers are the ones hidden in plain sight.